Morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So we have to start the exercise 20B today.
Yes.
Question number
Yes,
one.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. All of you. Okay, some of you have joined. Most of you have not joined. Let's start then. So exercise 20B question number one. A rectangular grassy plot is 75-meter long and 60-meter broad, like this. This is a rectangular grassy plot which is 75-meter long and 60-meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter all around it on the inside. So this plot has a path all around in the inside. That means it has something like this. Okay, so this area between the two rectangles, this is the path. Let me shade the path for you. Can you see the path? This shaded portion. Okay, this is the
Yes.
path between the two rectangles.
It's looking like a photo frame.
Yes. So this is your rectangular plot, and the this purple color is the path. Okay, the width of the path is 2 meters, so I am marking the width of the path. This thing is 2 meter all around. Okay, everywhere it is 2 meters. Here it is 2 meter, here also it is 2 meters. Okay, so this is the width of your path. Now the dimensions of the plot from the outside is given 75 meter. This is the length, and the breadth is 60 meter. 60 meter broad. That means the breadth is 60 meter. So these are the dimensions from the outside. Find the area of the path and the cost of constructing it. We have to find the area of this path, this shaded portion, purple color portion. We have to find the area of this purple portion only. Okay. So how we are going to do this? Very easy concept. To find the area of the path, very important concept. Everyone, please pay attention. To find the area of the shaded portion, that means the area of the path, we will find the area of the outer rectangle first. We'll find the total area of the outer rectangle, and from the area of the outer rectangle, we will subtract the area of the inner rectangle. Okay. So if the area of inner rectangle is subtracted from the area of outer rectangle, what we will get? We will get only the area of the path, which is between the two rectangles. Okay. So easy concept. But the question here is, do you know the dimensions of the inner rectangle in this case? We don't know the dimensions of the inner rectangle, but we can find out the dimensions of the inner rectangle. How we can do this? What is the length of the inner rectangle? Can anyone try? Can you find out the length of the inner rectangle? The width of the path is 2 meter everywhere. So who is going to try and tell me the length of the inner rectangle? Anyone? Please start your videos, everyone. Yes.
What you repeat?
Sorry. Yes, all of you. Can you try and tell me what is the length of the inner rectangle?
So we will subtract the length of the outer rectangle by 2. So we will get the inner rectangle length.
We will subtract 2 from both the sides. That means from the left side as well as from the right side. So that means in all we will subtract 4. So length of outer rectangle is 75 meters, capital L. Breadth of outer rectangle is 60 meters. Now to find the length of inner rectangle, the length of inner rectangle I am representing with the letter small l. Okay. Small l का meaning क्या है? Small l means length of the inner rectangle. So how we can find it? Subtract 2 meters from both the sides. 2 meters from the left side, from this side, subtract 2 meters. Sorry. Subtract 2 meters from the left side and subtract 2 meters from the right side also. So what do we get? We get 71 meter as the length of the inner rectangle. 71 meters. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can find the breadth also of the inner rectangle. Now from 60, we will subtract 2 from the upside and 2 from the downside. So what do we get? We get 60 minus 4, that is 56 meters.
56 meter.
Yeah. 60 minus 2, we get 56 meters. The length and breadth of the inner rectangle are clear. Is there any doubt in this, all of you?
No, sir.
No? Okay, very good. So let's find the area of the path. Area of path will be area of, let's name the rectangle as ABCD. Outer rectangle is ABCD.
Sir, we have to subtract 70 into 56.
And inner rectangle, let's name as PQRS. So area of ABCD minus area of inner rectangle, which is PQRS. Are you all getting the point, everyone? To get the area of path, we will subtract the areas of both the rectangles.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in the concept?
No, sir. No, sir.
So area of out ABCD, that means L into B, capital L into capital B minus small l into small b, area of PQRS. What is capital L? This is 75 into 60 breadth, and small l is 71, small b is 56. 75 into 60 is 4500. What is the product of 71 and 56? Find the product of 71 and 56.
So 3,976.
3976. Very good. 3976. So if we subtract, we get 524 meters square. This is the area of the path. Now the cost of constructing the path. Cost of constructing path. The rate at which the path is to be constructed is given rupees. It is given, the rate is given in the question, rupees 125 per meter square. That means for 1 meter square, you have to pay rupees 125. But we have to construct a 524 meter square path. So 524 multiplied by 125. What is the product?
So 65,500.
Absolutely correct. Rupees 65,500. This is your answer. Cost of constructing the path. Is there any doubt in the whole question?
No, sir. No, sir.
The most important part, there are two more most important things in the question to note down. Very important. Please pay attention again. First is the dimensions of the figure. Whatever the figure, you have to make the figure in every question. The figures are not given in your book. You have to draw the figures by reading the question yourself. You have to draw them. Mark the dimensions very carefully. This was the first thing that you have to know. Mark the dimensions. Second thing, use the concept. The concept is area of path will be equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Simple concept. So these are the two most important things, and the rest is all calculation. Okay. Any doubt in the question?
Sir, I have sent. No, sir.
Okay. Please send your answers in the group.
Sir, send.
Very good. Keep your videos on.
Sir, I'm just drawing the figure.
Let's start with question number 2. If you all have done. Question 1 over.
Sir, just a minute.
Yeah.
We're done.
Yes, sir. Done. Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number 2. Yeah. Question number 2. A rectangular plot of land measuring 95 meter by 72 meters. Again, there is a rectangular plot. This is your rectangular plot. And there is a path made in the rectangular plot. A path of uniform width 3.5 meter is to be constructed all around. ठीक है? The rest of the inside the plot, a path is to be constructed. The path is constructed inside the plot. Please pay attention on this thing also, whether the path is constructed in the inside of the plot or on the outside of the plot. So this is also an important thing to notice here. The path is constructed inside the plot, in the inner portion. So that means the dimensions which are given are of the outer rectangle. This will give you the hint whether the dimensions are of the inner rectangle or of the outer rectangle. Dimensions are of the outer rectangle, 95 meter, 72 meters. Okay. The width of the path is given in the question, 3.5 meters. 3.5 meter. Okay. 3.5 meters. Now, again, we have to find the cost of constructing the path, and one more thing is there in this question. That is, we have to also find the cost of laying the grass in the inner portion of the field of the plot. Inner portion is what? I will show you. What is the inner portion? So let me shade this inner portion with a different color. Let me shade it with white. This white portion is the portion where you have to lay the grass. Okay. Here the grass is to be laid. Are you getting it? All of you? Two things
Yes,
we
sir.
have to do in the same question. We have to, in the same question, we have to first of all construct the path. And the second thing, we have to lay the grass in the white portion of the plot. Okay. So for both the things, we need the dimensions of the inner rectangle. Do we know the dimensions of the inner rectangle till now? No, but we can find out. Capital L is 95 meters. Capital B is 72 meters. Small l, that means the length of the inner rectangle. Tell me, all of you. 95 minus 3.5 minus 3.5. So subtract 3.5 two times. That means you can subtract 7 directly. 95 minus 7 will give you 88 meters. Any doubt in this? 88 meter is the
Yes, sir.
length of the inner rectangle. What is the breadth of the inner rectangle? What is the breadth? 72
65.
minus, again you can subtract 7. Absolutely right, 65 meters. 65 meter is the breadth of the inner rectangle. Now, again we will find the cost of constructing the path. To find the cost of constructing the path, we will find the area of the path first. So area of the path is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Area of outer rectangle is given by length into breadth, capital L into capital B, minus area of inner rectangle, small l into small b. Any doubt in the concept or any doubt till now in the question? Is there any doubt in the question
No,
till
sir.
now?
No, sir.
No. Everything is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. 95 into 72 minus 88 into 65. What is the product? 95 into 72. Find the product.
So 6,840.
Sorry. Sorry. 6,000.
840.
6,840 minus what is the product of 88 and 65?
So 5,720.
Again correct. 5,720. So if we subtract, we get 1120 meters square. Am I right?
Yes.
This is the area of the path, sorry. Now cost for constructing the path, you can write cost and bracket mein you can, in short you can write path. That means the cost for constructing the path. So the rate at which we can construct the path is given rupees 80 per meter square, 80 rupees for 1 meter square. So total is 1120 into 80. Okay, so what do we get? We get rupees 008 into 2 is 16, 198, 89,600 rupees. This is the cost for constructing the path. Now, one more thing we have to do find in this question, that is cost of laying down the grass. Okay, grass is to be laid in the inner rectangle. White portion ko dekho. White portion is what? White portion is the inner rectangle, the smaller one. So on this portion, we have to lay down the grass. So we will find the area of this portion. Area of inner rectangle. Why are we finding the area of the inner rectangle? Because we have to find the cost of laying down the grass. So this is small l into small b. Small l is 88, small b is 65. We have already found the product in the previous part of the question. 5720 meters square. Now we will find the cost of laying down the grass. So you can write down in the bracket grass, cost grass. That means the rate is given rupees 40 per meter square. So multiply 5720 by 40. I hope you all are getting it what I am doing here on the board.
Yes, sir.
42822. So this is rupees 2,28,800. Rupees 228800. 2,28,800. This is the cost for laying down the grass. Now total expenses कितने हुए हमारे? Total यही find करना ना? Yes, total expenses. So we will add the two costs. 89600 plus 228800. What is the sum? Find out. 004.
Sir, 3,81,400.
3,81,000. 004.
No, sir. 318400.
3184. Correct. 3,18,400. Absolutely right. Got it, all of you? Any doubt in the
Yes,
question?
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, can we say that this diagram is similar to the previous one?
Yes, Peter. In all the questions, we will have similar figure. A small change could be there. Question number 3, you all will do it in homework. Okay, done. You all will do question 3 in homework. Try question 3 in homework. Question 3 is same as question 1 and 2, बल्कि in fact it is exactly same as question 1. बस
Yes,
यहाँ पे
sir.
प्लॉट की जगह साड़ी कर दी है. साड़ी इज ऑल्सो ऑफ द सेम साइज. जितना बड़ा प्लॉट होता है उतनी बड़ी साड़ी भी होती है. So same type of question.
The plot is the plain land.
No, I just mean to say that sari is also very big in size.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. A rectangular grassy lawn measuring, the concept is same of question 3, same as question number 1. Okay, try question 3 in homework. Question 4, a rectangular grassy lawn measuring 38 meter by 25 meter has been surrounded externally by a 2.5 meter wide path. So there is a rectangular grassy lawn measuring 38 meter by 25 meter. Again, there is a rectangular grassy lawn. This is the rectangular grassy lawn. The dimensions are given. Has been surrounded externally. Please pay attention on this point. This lawn is surrounded externally by a path, not internally. So I will be constructing the path in the outer portion, not in the inner. I will not construct the path inside this. I will construct the path outside. Are you getting the point, everyone? This
Yes,
is
sir.
your path. It has been
Yes.
constructed outside. That means the dimensions which are given, this is the role of constructing outside the given rectangle or inside the given rectangle. इसमें main बात क्या है? With this you come to know whether the dimensions which are given are of the inner rectangle or are of the outer rectangle. So here the dimensions are of the inner rectangle, 38 meter by 25 meters. Got it, all of you? The dimensions which are given are for the inner rectangle, not for the outer rectangle. The width of the path is 2.5 meter all around. This is 2.5 meters. Everywhere the width of the path is 2.5 meters. Okay. 2.5 meter on the left side, 2.5 meter on the right side, 2.5 on the upside and 2.5 on the right bottom side. Okay. So this is the path. Now we have to find the total cost of graveling the path. Graveling, do you understand the meaning of graveling a path? What is the meaning of graveling?
Sir, like grabbing that area.
Graveling का meaning ये होता है कि you must have seen those small gravels, छोटे छोटे पत्थर जो होते हैं. So
Yes,
we have
sir.
to put that in the whole path. पूरे path पे वो लगाने हैं, ठीक है? So this is known as graveling the path. So let's shade the path first. This path we have to do graveling. Okay. So for this we need the outer dimensions also. How we are going to find the outer dimensions in this case? Can any one of you tell me how to find the outer dimensions of the rectangle? Yes. What is the outer length in this case? We already know the inner length. Inner length is 38 meters. Inner breadth is also given 25 meters. What is the outer length? Capital L. Can anyone tell me what to do in this case? Are you all able to hear me? My voice is coming?
Yes, sir, it is coming.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please guess. No problem even if your answer is wrong. It will be better if you try. I appreciate the students who at least try. I really feel good if you try. Yes, outer length of the rectangle.
So first we have to multiply of area of EFGH. We have to get 950 meters square.
No, that is a different thing. I am asking only the outer length. ये outer वाली जो length होगी ये क्या होगी? Capital L. नहीं पता?
Sir, 43 meters.
43
43
meters is absolutely right. Why 43? Because in this case
Because
we will add 2.5 2 times. We will add, not subtract. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? 38 is the inner length. 38 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Why are we adding it? 2.5. You will add 2.5 from the left side and 2.5 from the right side. Then only you will get this outer length. Total 43 meters. Are you getting it or not? 2.5, 2.5. If we add two
Yes,
times,
sir.
it makes 5. So 38 plus 5 is equal to 43 meters. Everyone, this is clear or not? We are
Yes, sir,
subtracting
clear.
the width of the path. In the previous question, we were subtracting the width of the path from both the sides. In this question, we are adding the width of the path from both the sides. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Similarly, we can find the breadth also. So breadth will be 25 plus 2.5, 2.5 from both the sides. So this
30
will give
meter.
you 30 meters. Okay. So 25
Okay, sir.
plus 2.5 plus 2.5. This will give you 30 meters. Breadth is 30. Now let's find the rest of the concept is same. Area of path, because we have to do the graveling on the path. So we will find the area. Area of the path will be area of outer rectangle, capital L into capital B, minus area of inner rectangle, small l into small b. So 43 into 30 minus 38 into 25. So 43 into 30 is 1290, minus 38 into 25 is 950, 950. So 50 plus 290 is 340. 340 meters, sorry, 340 meters square. This is the area of the path. Any doubt? Please check my calculations. They could be wrong. Cost
Yes, sir, it's correct.
of graveling the path. The cost of graveling the path, the rate at which we can do the graveling is rupees 120 for 1 meter square. That means for 340 meter square, you will multiply 340 by 120. What is the product? 340 multiplied by 120.
So 40,800.
So 40,800.
Absolutely right again. Rupees 40,800. This will be the total cost of graveling the path. Understood? The concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in the whole
Yes, sir.
question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, I have also sent on the group.
Very nice, Beta. All of you, please send your answers in the group. And now start trying question number 5. Okay, don't get confused with the words that they have used. In some questions, they have used the word veranda, they have used graveling the cost. ये सब चीजें मैटर नहीं करती हैं. कहीं पे इन्होंने साड़ी बोल दिया, कहीं पे वो क्या कहते हैं फ्लावर बेड बोल दिया. तो ये सब बस आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए बोला है कि वरांडा क्या होता है. ये थोड़ी सोचना है आपको. यू हैव टू थिंक दैट द कॉन्सेप्ट विल रिमेन द सेम इन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, so don't get confused with these words. Don't think much about these words. Okay. Start doing question number 5 and send your answer in the group. I'm going to check your answers. Kanak and Paridhi have given the answer for question number 4. Very good. Do question number 5 also. And previous questions are sent by Kanak, Zehra, Paridhi. Others also can send it their answers, all of you. You all are doing your work in the copy. Please just take a picture, just 1 minute it will take, and send your answers in the group, all of you. Okay.
Sir, done and sent.
Question 5 also done, Paridhi.
Yes, sir.
Very good.